Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to speed flip in Rocket League, step by step, so you can win more kickoffs. First, understand that a speed flip is a diagonal flip combined with a fast cancel. Start by driving forward with boost. Then, quickly perform a diagonal front flip by pushing your joystick slightly up and to the left or right while pressing jump twice. Immediately after the second jump, pull your joystick straight down to cancel the flip. This is the most important part. The cancel keeps your car low and fast instead of fully rotating. While canceling, hold boost the entire time to maintain maximum speed. As you land, adjust your car slightly with air roll so all four wheels hit the ground cleanly. Practice this in free play repeatedly, focusing on timing rather than speed at first. Once mastered, your kickoff approach will be faster and more consistent than a normal front flip. Subscribe the channel for more videos.